Welcome back to another video. In this video we are in our entrance hallway. So this hallway actually has been the coldest part of the house, and these walls get really cold in winter since they're just single brick and there's absolutely no insulation, no air gaps, nothing. Like the rest of the house all has one brick, air gap and a brick, so that creates an amazing insulated walls. We did already the storage room as you saw, and this is up next, so now we're gonna work on this. We have gotten the wood for the framing. We have to now clean this all up and prepare it. The biggest problem is gonna be the radiator, since that has to come back out, and maybe we're gonna put the plasterboard and then put the radiator back on. But we'll see, maybe we'll just take it off fully whenever we're doing actually the plastering and stuff. But yeah, let's get started with the framing today.
The paint.
It broke?
Beautiful. How do we scoop it in? Get a cement tool or a spatula tool.
I'll put them all away.
Oh, did you? And then just like as much as possible.
That's like tomato paste.
It smells like something else though.
It's made from pig's blood. Stupid. Luckily it wasn't something bigger.
The carpet got nice.
Paint the carpet with this.
Oh, it went below the carpet.
Oh. Spray, does help, no? Perfect, Baba.
Well, that was unnecessary.
Look how nice it got.
We have 2.5 weeks later from when we started the video, and as you can see, I am back, and I don't know if you can hear it, but I got a bit sick on the last day at my grandma's place. Well, my mom got sick, got me sick, and now we were avoiding really hard to get David sick, but he also gets sick, so sorry for no videos. We could not do anything, of course. We just have a cold, nothing really major, just a bit of throat pain and a bit of nose. But yeah, what we're gonna do now, originally at this part of the video we wanted to do the framing of the walls, but we got not really carried away by our plans. So we want to do it properly. We want to put waterproofing sealant on the bottom, but before we could do that we needed a tool that one of our friends brought, and to cut the laminate, the floor, to make it a bit more straight. So we got the tool now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut it, we're gonna clean it up from the green bottom that we put below the laminate, make it all nice and straight, and then we're gonna paint it, and David is gonna explain you more at the end why we're doing all of that.
So as you can see, we are done with it, and it was a lot faster than I thought and a lot easier than I thought. It worked out pretty good. First time using stuff like this, except the one outside, but that was completely different. That was extremely smelling bad and very sticky, very bad. This one was more like just gooey paint and absolutely zero smell to it. So that's amazing, and hopefully the drying time is pretty quick as well. But the reason why we're doing it is since this is a foundation, so this is the bottom of the house, and the wall here is a single brick but done this way instead of the other house, which is going the bricks this way and an air gap in the middle. So that kind of is like an insulation, so the air is a lot harder to travel heat through, and this one here, the heat just flows through. That's why we want to frame it and insulate it. But I'm scared of moisturizing. The walls themselves don't get wet at all. This corner pretty much got wet because this is the corner of the house, and the corners of the house get the coldest since it's getting cold from this side and this side. This wall was pretty much not wet, it was just this corner. And this here is going into our new entrance hall, so it means that it's not water going on the wall. It's physically not possible for this to be water seeking through. So we just know that it is a condensation. So if we insulate it, hopefully it's going to be all good. We're gonna see. The next thing we want to do is to put concrete on top of this, because you can see this is a giant hump, this is a giant ditch, and all of it is just not level, so we can't just put wood straight away on it since we gotta frame it. And we also want some sort of anchor points for the wood to get hooked on, so you know, you can't just slide the wall out or it just falls down. Upstairs we can just attach to the beam, but downstairs there's no way of attaching it besides drilling it into the wall, which is making holes. We want to avoid that. We would like to just put a giant cast and put rebar inside, and on this rebar we are also gonna add this hook points for the wood. They don't need to be extremely strong. This is not gonna have a wind going against it or anything, so it's gonna be a simple, just so it doesn't pop out of the wall. But yeah, that's pretty much it with this video. Next time we're gonna have to put a surrounding. Hopefully we're not gonna make a giant mess with concrete. We're just gonna do it like very skinny layer with just a giant rebar going through it, and that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. We're gonna see you next time. Bye bye.
Okay, let's go back to the Betty. Where are you going?
Kayla wants to go outside.
Oh. It kind of looks really ugly though.
It's a pool.